All right, welcome everybody. Today's video, we're going to look around Old Town Phuket. Now, we saw in the news this morning that there has been a little bit of flooding over here, so we came down. I was wanting to come down to see the night market tonight, but I think that's off the table because there's a river overflowing its bank and stuff like that. So we're going to look around down to see what the flooding looks like here in the Old Town. Nam tuom. Ah, my D. Oi. My D.
หมดเลยเข้าบ้านก็ไม่ได้ก็เหนื่อย
So they have the road closed off over here. The intersection to the left supposedly is really flooded out. The guy said it was almost up to the mid-chest back there in that little alley. A little bit of water here, not too terrible. It's all flooded back in there. Up here, ooh, wow, look at this car coming through. Braver than me. The water was coming out of the doors. Oh, wow. The canal at least isn't overflowing. So we were trying to get over to the Old Town, but this is all flooded out down here. They had the road closed and we had to turn up and just park. Right over there, that's Old Town. That's where we were trying to go. And it's starting to rain again. See how deep this water is. Looks like the museum is almost flooded out. The canal is pretty high. This is the little bridge that goes over the canal, and then it's all underwater over here. So the Phuket 3D Museum, this is Montree Road. Looks like all the power and everything is off down here also in all these businesses. Big surprise there, huh? Oh, they've got a car underwater. Oh, and these motorcycles are underwater. Wow. Those motorcycles are all underwater, the car's underwater. Police station. Nam tuom, ha. And up there's, that's the clock tower and everything. So these ladies here, they have the sandbags on the door and they're still doing nails and stuff like that up in there. They have power though. I thought all these buildings had the power off. Now this is like a river. We're going up the current. So it's flowing down this road pretty fast. You can see it. All right, so it's this canal here that's overflowing, that's flooded the whole downtown. Wow. This is the little bridge that goes over the canal right here. Oh, this is the clock tower. I was just here like 5 months ago. This is the walking street area, everything here. This is terrible. You can see them bucketing out the water over there. This is terrible. So it's flooded all out down into the old town. And the little boy's making the best of it over there. I was a little worried about that old guy there with the bike, but he said he's not going to go through. He's just going to come up here and look. Yeah, once you go over that little canal past the clock tower, it's pretty deep over there. All right, so that's a little walk around here at this downtown in Phuket. This is absolutely terrible for these guys. Don't know what happened, why the canal clogged up and flooded, but it's just that one there that's kind of flooding the whole downtown area and this residential area. The emergency workers are out trying to get things restored. They don't have any power, it doesn't look like. So anyway, hopefully they'll get this fixed. We didn't expect this. We just came to Phuket to actually go to the night market down here in the old town. So I don't know how long this will be closed off for. So anyway, we'll go do something different. I'll post up this video so you can kind of see what it's like down here. So until next time.